Hey everybody, Ron Tech here, and I'm back with another top Android apps video, and this time it's for November. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first app on the list is a game called Fingertip Balance. Fingertip Balance is a game where you have to balance a block on a handle for as long as you can. To add some more twist, the handle starts to get smaller after every 10 seconds, so it gets even more difficult as you progress. The game is very addictive and it will help you spend time if you are bored. So the next app is called LG V30 Floating Bar. So if you have seen the new LG V30, you must have seen the floating bar on the corner, which is similar to Edge panels for the Samsung Edge devices. You can customize this floating bar to your liking. You can add apps which you want to access quick, like camera app, YouTube app, and call or messaging app. You can just touch the arrow on the side and it will show up. Then you can run your favorite app, which is YouTube in my case. On the subject of YouTube, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, as it helps the channel a lot, and I upload tech and tutorial videos which you definitely may find helpful. Next app is called Monospace. It's a minimal notepad app, but it has one of the most unique features and design that sets it apart from the competition. First, the design is absolutely great and is minimal. Next, talking about the features, you can change the format of your fonts to bold, italic, bullet, and a bunch of other formatting styles. Next, you can group your notes with folders but with hashtags. Just write a hashtag in your note and it will group that note with the hashtag, and it's more efficient in my opinion, because you can add 2 or more hashtags and classify a note further. Next app is called Quotes Creator. It's an app where you can choose from a huge number of quotes and customize them to your liking by changing the size of the text, the style of the text. You can change the background, add a dope looking picture, add shadow to the text to make it pop out, and after making it to perfection, you can save it or share it to social media. Overall, it's a great app and it's a must have in my opinion. So the next app is called Spherify. So you must have seen the little planet effect on many places on the internet and must be wondering how to make this effect with just a regular picture. Well, this app lets you do all that. All you have to do is import your picture in the Spherify app and let it do the rest. After a few seconds, you will get a spherified version of your picture, which you can share on social media. Overall, it's a great little app and a must have. The next app is a game called Brake to Die. It's a racing game but with a twist. When you start racing around in a city, you cannot slow down, seriously. If you slow down or stop completely, the car will explode, hence the name Brake to Die. You have more than 50 cars and the graphics of this game are minimal and great. You get to drive through a bunch of different and unique locations where it's hard not to slow down or stop entirely. Overall, it's a great and a must-have game. The 7th app is called 7Time. I just realized this during recording that the 7th app was coincidentally named 7Time. Well, leaving this aside, 7Time is a readjustable clock widget, and believe me, it's a great one. You can choose from a bunch of different clock styles which you can adjust and make more appealing to your current setup. Change the size, width, and many other stuff. So like I said, great app and a must try to improve your setup. So the next app is a game called InstLife. Basically, it's a life simulator game that is way fast than other simulators. You can press the age button to go to next year, and then it tells you anything interesting happening that year, and you can go to the options on the top of the screen, such as your stat, your financial stat, your CV, and other stuff. Once you die, you can start a new life as a different character. Overall, it's a great game and it's a light game to play in free time. Next app is a game called Slope. In this game, you have to control a ball and you have to make sharp turns and be very reactive, as you can fall down with a missed step. As for the graphics, they are simply breathtaking. The one thing about the gameplay is that if the controls are too sensitive for you, then go to the settings of the game, turn down sensitivity to your liking. You have 3 difficulty modes in this game, so just keep on dodging obstacles and keep on moving forward as long as you can. The last app is a game called Splash Up, but it's so much more than just a game. In this you are a paintball and you are completely surrounded by darkness, and the only way to see the path is to sprinkle as much paint as possible so you can make sense of the path and move forward. But don't only rely on paint, as you will need to use logic as well as abstract thinking if you want to complete a level. So this game is a great way to train your memory and also improve your abstract thinking. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found this video and any of these apps helpful in any way. If you did, make sure to like this video and comment down below the app which you liked the most, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a single upload. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.